I've been wanting to take the M3 shine to the next level, so I reached out to the folks over at Adams Polishes, talked to them about a couple different things, placed an order, and looks like it just arrived. So let's get it inside and check it out. Alright, so got the box inside, just because of the sheer height of it. Doing it a little different than some of the other videos, but let's get her opened up and see what's on the inside. Very well packaged. As you can see, Adam Polishes tape all over it and just well sealed. Kudos to them. They give you your receipt, for lack of a better term. They were kind enough to throw in a sticker. Air freshener. And it looks like just kind of a catalog of some of the stuff they offer. So. Alright. So we got ordered some towels for cleaning windows. Yeah, look at that. They threw in some mints in there. That's awesome. Love those guys. Polishing towel. Looks real nice. Ordered borderless towel as well. As you can see it from there. Another set of polishing towels. Never have too many of those. Sponge, usually I'll use these for applying tire shine. A sponge. This one's for washing, not polishing or anything. Some drying towels. A brush, very soft. Probably for wheels, this one, because mine don't get too bad. A little firmer brush. Get some tire shine. Shampoo. Just an all-purpose cleaner. Always good to have that around. Detail spray. Oh, this stuff smells amazing too. It smells like strawberry almost. Wheel cleaner. Gotta have that. Glass cleaner. Water guard and gloss. Just a good old interior detailer. Another one of the borderless towels. These are really good to have. Very good. Another set of drying towels. And then last, but certainly not least, the famous Adams Polish bucket with the lid. This thing's awesome. Cool, but that's all we have for now. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'm definitely going to do some videos around these products. So, drop me a subscribe. Thank you for watching.